Hi guys, this is Sijak, and today what I want to talk about is how to fix the fan noise just after updating the BIOS with the Lenovo Ideapad 520 or 510. The first thing you need to understand is that just after the BIOS update, uh, I think this laptop couldn't stop with the fan noise. It was obnoxious. Sometimes it was at full speed, and never before I've had this kind of problem. I just bought this computer like 4 months ago, and within this period I've never had this kind of problem. So it's been 2 days already that I made the update, and ever since I had this problem with the fan noise. So today we're going to fix this, and I think it's important for you first to check your laptop's version. You can do that with IDA64. Go to freewid IDA64 and download this. You can download that for free. I think it's a 30-day trial. And after downloading this, normally you should be able to check the version of your computer. Here I've got the Lenovo Ideapad 510, 15i K and B. So how to do that? The first thing you need to understand is that we don't need to install an external programs. And by the way, I'm using Windows 10. To do this, we've got to access the power plans. So go to control panels, control panel, and hardware and sound, and then power options. Here we would be able to change and access the power plans. I'm currently using the balanced, which was recommended. So here we would be able to go to change advanced power settings, and here's the real deal. You can access the processor power management here, and it's because of the system cooling policy that you've got this obnoxious sound, this terrible fan noise. Just before, I've got when it was plugged in, the system cooling policy was always active. You've got two choices here, passive or active. So instead of passive, just check out and click on passive here. It's been 2 hours that I've been using the settings, and up to now there was no problem at all. It was super silent and not the obnoxious, the terrible sound that I used to for 2 days ago, from 2 days ago. So I hope this was helpful for you. You can subscribe if you want, and until next time.